In the last section, we had defined the term assets, liability and equity. We will now elaborate each of these in greater detail. At the outset, balance sheet items of assets and liabilities are generally classified as current or short-term and non-current or long-term items. Why do we need to classify assets or liabilities into current and non-current? The answer is, it is primarily required by users of financial statements to assess the firm's capability to meet its short-term and long-term obligations. So, how do we define non-current in nature? For example, non-current assets. Non-current assets can be defined as those assets which are not expected to be sold, consumed or realized within 1 year from the date of the balance sheet. We can also say that assets not qualifying as current assets can be classified as non-current assets. Non-current assets include elements such as property, plant and equipment, sometimes called as fixed assets, intangible assets and other non-current assets such as investments. Sometimes companies pay advance to their suppliers. These are recoverable beyond the period of 1 year from the reporting date. These are also classified or disclosed under the head non-current asset. Let us now move to the video to explain further each of these elements under non-current assets in greater detail. See you soon.